Hello PrintStoppers! Today we are going to see what is My Account dashboard. So the very first step is to log in to your PrintStop account. If you don't have an account, you can create a new account by registering yourself. To log into your account, simply add your email address, and click Submit. You will be logged in to your PrintStop account. Today we will go through My Account dashboard. This will help you understand the processes of reordering, reusing old files, checking pending orders, what are my templates, how can you change or add multiple addresses, manage QR code, manage images, know all about your coupons, deals and offers, and account history. In our next video, we will learn all about reordering. Hope you got a basic overview of My Account dashboard. Thank you for your time. Keep shopping at PrintStop, one-stop shop for all your office printing needs.